Time management is a crucial skill that can significantly impact your personal and professional life. It involves organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities to work smarter rather than harder. Effective time management enables you to accomplish more in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. This means setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and eliminating distractions to ensure that you are working efficiently and effectively. By mastering time management, you can reduce stress, improve your focus, and boost your productivity, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. The first step to mastering time management is to set clear and achievable goals. Without goals, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus. Start by defining what you want to achieve in both the short term and the long term. Break down these goals into smaller, manageable tasks that you can tackle one at a time. This approach not only makes large projects less daunting, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Additionally, setting deadlines for each task can create a sense of urgency that helps you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Another key aspect of effective time management is prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more important and urgent than others. Use techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. This method helps you focus on tasks that truly matter and avoid spending too much time on activities that do not contribute significantly to your goals. By prioritizing your tasks, you can ensure that you are dedicating your time and energy to the most critical activities, thereby maximizing your productivity. Eliminating distractions is also vital for efficient time management. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere, from social media notifications to endless email alerts. Identify the main sources of distraction in your environment and find ways to minimize them. This might involve setting specific times for checking emails and social media, using apps that block distracting websites, or creating a dedicated workspace where you can focus without interruptions. By controlling your environment and eliminating distractions, you can maintain better concentration and get more done in less time. Finally, make use of tools and techniques to enhance your time management skills. There are numerous productivity tools available, such as to-do lists, calendars, and project management software that can help you organize and track your tasks. Techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, which involves working in short, focused bursts followed by short breaks, can also help you maintain high levels of productivity. Experiment with different tools and techniques to find what works best for you and continuously refine your approach to stay on top of your time management game. In conclusion, mastering time management is about setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, eliminating distractions, and using the right tools and techniques. By doing so, you can boost your productivity, reduce stress, and achieve a greater sense of balance in your life. Remember, time is a finite resource, and how you manage it can make a significant difference in your personal and professional success.